let's talk about quadruple meter again, okay? Just want to review since I'm not there with you anymore, going over this every week. Come back to this video as much as you need it. If you have a homework assignment in a time signature that you don't quite understand, you can come back here and listen to this again, okay? Let's start with our easiest quad, the quad we all really know. It's 4-4, right? We talked about how do we explain time signatures to a kindergartner, right? We fill in the Mad Lib. The top number means I have top number Do I have that right? I do. Top number, this will make sense in a second. Bottom number, and a measure. What I mean is, I have 4, there's my top number right here. This stands for quarter notes, right? Because 4, 1/4, right? So the 4 means quarter notes. So what this is telling you is I have 4 quarter notes in a measure, okay? To break it down simply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? This is conducted, all of these that I'm going to teach you today are conducted like this. Down, left, right, up. This would be a very simple measure here. This would be ta, 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 okay? Now, if I change this to 4/8 and I fill out my Mad Lib, this means I have 4 eighth notes in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Conducted exactly the same. It's still quadruple because we have 4 things in a measure, right? Ta, 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 ta. Got it? One more. If we have 4, 2, and we do our Mad Lib, I have 4 half notes in a measure now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounds the same, conducted the same. Ta, 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 ta. Okay? So, what if I complicate this just a little bit and I say, let's do a dotted rhythm. For review, our dotted rhythm, 1 and 2 and. Ta, ti. 1 and 2 and. I'm conducting the wrong way. 1, 2, right? We have down, left. Sorry about that. Ta, ti. 1 and 2 and. Okay? Ta, ti. This sounds like ta, ti, ta, ta. But I'm gonna just make it slightly more complicated so that you've got all this down. Let's change this to a half note. So this is 3, 4. It sounds like this. Ta, ti, ta. Got it? Little music math down here, okay? 1.5 beats is this, and that half is now the 16th, okay? This is exactly the same as what's above it. 1 and 2 and. Ta, ti, okay? Now, if this note up here in 4/4 lasts for 2 beats, this has to last for 2 beats, which now equals a quarter note. 3, 4, okay? Ta, ti, ta. Sound good? Same thing down here, looks like this. Ta, ti. Now we get a whole note because we're just doubling, right? This is 2 beats. This is beats 3 and 4. And if the half note is 1 beat and we need 2 there, then these come together to create a whole note. Okay? Bring this up just a little bit. Make sense? So this rhythm here is exactly the same. Ta, ti, ta. All right? if I had, say, another nice easy one, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A nice ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Then in 4/8, which remember my Mad Lib, I'm supposed to have an 8th note, an 8th note, an 8th note, an 8th note. Now I get 1, 2, I need to half this, right? So now I get 16th notes. And my last 8th note here. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And then if I have 4/2, 4 half notes in a measure, now I get ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Got it?